Hello, this is Tasha. Welcome to Landpack. Do you have a confusion of choosing a packing machine? Today, I'd like to show you a Doypack machine that is friendly to factory space and can improve your efficiency of production. Now, please follow me. Look at the machine we will introduce today. This is a single-station Doypack packing machine for packing various powders. This is the finished product by this machine. Then, let's take a look at the details of this machine. This is the auger screw feeder, feeding the powder to the auger feeder. The auger screw measure and feeding the powder into the Doypack. This is the bagger feeder device, feeding the bag to the machine. Then the machine will pick up the bag, open the bag, then filling automatically. The filling pipe is with vibrating device to make the powder fully into the bag, keeping the mouth of bag clean to better seal. And there is also a suction device to enjoy the floating powder to in time. The white device can close the zipper. This is the sealing device with steel marking, can print the date of the product on the bag. After sealing, the machine will output the finished product automatically. Please send us inquiries to get more details. Bye-bye.